Hello. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat sa pagtagilin. Thank you for your time. I'm really excited and nervous. But it's a different kind of scene now, so the sense I'm going to do it. But I'm really excited sa gagawin namin show na to, and I'm looking forward na maging maayos na din siya. And because of that, my good director here, Rola Santiago, and of course with your help, so we can help us promote the show. And also, I want to say that I am very, very, very happy to be part of TV5, bilang isang kapatid. And it's a different experience, and it's so much fun and nice. And once I feel that I'm getting so Percy, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And we'll do our best to come up with good episodes all the time. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, we're actually not going to reveal the first destination. We'll leave that up through the Twitter promo, so in case you guys missed out on the mechanics, we will be giving, I think we've already given out the press releases for the Nasaan Si Aga promo. Hope you can publish the full mechanics in your newspapers, your websites, your blogs, to encourage more people to join, because we're not going to give out the first destination until we have 10,000 tweets to complete the mosaic, which will reveal the image of the destination. So don't forget to use the Nasaan Si Aga hashtag so that we will get those 10,000 tweets. Of course, there's the SMS promo as well. So let's all make sure that the Nasaan Si Aga promo is spread out into the entire Philippines. And, you know, everyone will start guessing where he's going next. So very exciting. Actually, I'm wondering myself, any clues? No? No clues? Wala. Direct may clue ka ba? Wala talaga. Wala talaga. Okay, fine.
Kaya maganda lang, sinabi ko lang, what's nice about the show kasi, ang sinasabi tayo is like, you know, like, ano yung show na gagawin mo sa TV5? Sinasabi ko nga na we'll be traveling around the world, no? So sabi ko, parang sinasabi nila, ilang seasons na gagawin ko, ilang episodes. Kaya sabi sa akin ni Percy, sa TV5, kaya sinasabi ko na, hanggang di namin naiikot ang buong mundo, hindi na tapos yung show. So matagal-tagal ko to. So, sumama kayo. We will do our best na maramdaman nyo na nandun kayo sa mabubutan namin. So, we're really excited. It's something new for me. It's something new for the TV industry. So, galing. And I'm happy that you showed that everything. Thank you.
Direct, do you have anything to share, anything to say?
Pagka director ko na talagang sobrang akong niligawan, parang pumayag na direct na ako. Rola Santiago.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga dumalo dito. When Aga called me regarding the new show, sabi ko, saan? Tapos sabi niya sa Channel 5. No? I-reveal mo na agad ng Channel 5. So, tinanong ko muna yung format. No? But then, siyempre, bukod kay Aga, siyempre may excited ako. Matagal-tagal na rin ako kasi hindi talaga gumagawa ng TV show. I actually really choose something that is more relevant. And when you talk to me about this, the concept of the show, una-una may opportunity ako to travel. But the thing is, yung pinakamaganda kasi dito is, I travel, kasi may opportunity na rin ako na nakapag-travel na rin ako sa ibang parte ng mundo. Pero ang maganda dito kasi, makakapag-travel ako sa mga lugar na hindi ko pa talaga rin natutuklasan. Hindi ko usually pinupuntahan. So, ang clue lang siguro sa episode na to, first time namin lahat pumunta doon sa lugar na yun.
Saan yun eh?
Doon lang yan sa lugar. Yun na nga, I guess yun ang nakaka-excite. So viewers din namin, just the fact that medyo may pagka-educational din yung gusto namin ma-approach. We want to entice the kids, to entertain the kids, as well as the whole family. Because gusto namin matuklasan nila lahat ng bago sa paligid nila. Una-una, yun ang gusto namin sa konsepto nito is to discover things around you. Around the world, sa lahat ng mundo ginagalawan natin, hindi naman kailangan pumunta ka sa ibang mundo to discover. Medyo siguro dyan sa tabi-tabi, may natutunan siyang kakaiba, medyo bago sa kaalaman mo. Yun ang gusto namin tahakin. Something new, we want to explore things na maganda. Yun ang gusto namin, to expose also yung kagandahan ng mundo. And I guess
posting.
Hindi. Ang maganda nga ni Aga, unang-una yung first time, sabi ko, kaya ba natin to? So, kung sinabi ko, kasi first time, I guess ni Aga, to really talk to the camera as himself. And talking yung parang very user-oriented. Usually, nakikita natin si Aga portraying on a character. Now, I don't want Aga to portray as a character, but as himself. Parang gusto ko, kasabay din natin siya to explore new things in life. Siguro, makikita natin si Aga na kagigising pa lang, hindi pa nakakapaghilamos, pero on the go, yung mga ganon, I want to capture.
Wala akong katabi. Wala akong katabi doon, ha?
Yun ang gusto ko natin makita ang attack ni Aga, reality. Anong itsura ni Aga na natutulog sa hotel room na sa may liblib na.
Nakaalala lang yan, pero bago ko doon, naka-jet na ako. Parang pag-isip ko.
Yung gano'n, yung pati siya siguro, sisingit tayo sa mundo ni Aga. Pagsakay sa aeroplano, pagsakay pa lang sa aeroplano, doon na nag-roll yung camera. Ano yung mabagong kaalaman, ano yung adventure. Kasabay natin si Aga, kasabay din ni Aga, yung buong crew, to explore new things. And hopefully, makauwi kami ng mga magagandang kaalaman na ipapapahayag namin sa mga manonood. So, very excited and I hope makagawa kami ng isang magandang project. Sabi nga ni Aga, kailangan hindi daw kami titigil hanggang hindi namin naiikot ang buong mundo.
Kasi ito, sa kaluluwa tayo natin, ito mo kailangan. First time ko, every month yan, alas tayo. Nakakapagod din yung trabaho namin gagawin. It's no joke because there's a lot of flying, there's like one day na sa isang araw, habang meron tayo sa sakyan namin, tapos nag-charter kami ng load, tapos medyo pagod, PB5, salamat. Thank you. It'll be fun, thank you.